Hi guys, this is Rahul Soni and you're watching RD Auto Expo where I make your Auto Expo online. That's what my father saying that Rahul, your first impression is your last impression, and this car make this statement true. This car definitely being your first impression and increase your royalty. Yes guys, I'm talking about nothing but Jeep Compass. So guys, in this video I'm giving you several reasons to buy this car, but before that let's see what Jeep Compass gives you on this price range. So guys, this car comes with two engine option. First one is 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged multi-air petrol engine, while the another one is 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged multi-jet diesel engine. The petrol engine comes with three variants. First one is 1.4 liter sports, limited and limited optional, while the diesel engine comes with 2.0 liter sports, longitude and longitude optional. The petrol engine produces 161 bhp of power at 5500 rpm, while the diesel produces 171 bhp of power at 3750 rpm. The petrol produces the torque of 250 Nm at 2500 rpm to 4000 rpm, while the diesel produces 350 Nm of torque at 1750 rpm to 2500 rpm. The petrol gives you the mileage of 1.4 liter, while the diesel gives you the mileage of 1.6 liter. With this difference, you can easily manipulate which engine is best for you, the petrol or diesel. So guys, now we are moving on our second kind of specification. So guys, the sports variant comes with the 6-gear option, while the limited and longitude comes with 7-gear options, and the limited option and longitudinal option comes with the 7-gear option and 4-wheel drive. With this, again, you can manipulate which is best for you. So guys, now this is time for giving you several reasons as I'm promising you to buy this car. Reason first, it's boot space. This car has a boot space of 43.8 liter, which is adequate enough for a long drive family trip. You can easily carrying out your luggages on a back side. You can add more 12 to 20% space by just fold your back seat. The second reason to buy this car is its wheelbase. This car has a wheelbase of 2636, which leads to better stability. Also, this car has a ground clearance of 206 mm, which means you can easily cross out through critical bumpers. So guys, now the third and most important reason to buy any car is its safety, and Jeep Compass up to mark in this criteria. For this, Jeep Compass has 6 airbags, ABS parking system, electronic brake, disc brakes, and tractional control. So guys, reason 4 to buy this car is its feature. It is a small feature which acts like Sone pe Suhara. For this car includes 2 armrests, one in the driving seat while another one is in the back seat. The back seat's armrest includes 2 water bottle holder. You also find a small light and a side door at the handle of side door, which helps you to reading at night. Also in the front, you find a good dashboard, Jeep Compass dashboard. The upper part of its dashboard is made up of pure leather, which prevents a smell in summer. Also, the lower part of the dashboard is made up of pure plastic, a good quality plastic. The steering wheel is made up of leather. Also, you find 8.4 touch screen infotainment system made by Jeep. So guys, this car includes a little drawback also. Like, this car has a seating capacity of 5 passengers, but the 5th passenger sitting in the middle of the back seat is definitely having no leg room. That definitely makes his ride uncomfortable. But however, it can be neglected. So guys, now we are moving on our end. And if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. And also if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And I know the terms like wheelbase, ground clearance, and torque, and bhp power, these kinds of terms confusing you, but don't worry, my next video definitely about the same. I'm covering all your doubts in my next video about wheelbase, about ground clearance, about also some terms including in automobiles. Okay guys, so bye bye.